So, good day, sir. We are here to tackle about the user needs and user wants of our system. So, our system is called car reservation system. So, by the way, Pailala sa me. So, I'm Brian, 20 years of age, currently living in Punta Princesa, Cebu City. And this is
I'm Phil Dave, 20 years old, living in Mabaling, Cebu City, and I believe God is good all the time.
Yeah, that is right, my friend. God is good all the time. But first, we have a question. So, what is HCI? For me, as a second year student, HCI is a form of creative design for clients, that is para ma-satisfy sila sa ilang sa ilang makita and unsa pod ilang kailangan. For you, what is HCI, my friend?
For ako, sort of HDI is ano siya ng how people interact with the computer and technology.
So, let's go. Makatag video ninyo para makita din ninyo kung unsa jud ang HCI. So, let's go, my friend.
You, a creative individual trying to develop an application. Whether you're writing some code, editing a video, or making a 3D model, there are many factors you may want to consider. Sometimes, when designing, we focus too much on the visuals in such a way where we design for ourselves rather than the user. Putting your personality into what you create is great, as long as it doesn't interfere with the user's journey. If you're on a computer, take a look at your mouse and keyboard. Think about how these tools evolved over the years. What has stayed the same? Why do you own this particular pair? Because of their color? Or because you like the way they feel? It could be both. But one thing is for sure, everybody wants to be comfortable. But what is comfort? Can you design something comfortable? The answer is yes, with a number of methods. Human-computer interactions can help you develop a more user-friendly interface and application. It's the study and collection of data based on human factors, focusing on designing cognitively for the users. All the senses, especially sound, sight, and touch, need to be considered. Measurements of users, how they identify, ensuring that your application is inclusive for various types of users is imperative to creating a more user-friendly experience. But how and when can you implement HCI? It may vary depending on the service or product you're developing. In this case, let's say you're developing a website. If you're an experienced designer, then you could probably go ahead and start coding. Otherwise, it can pay off to start doing some research. See what websites are popular. What are users currently used to? What's the layout like? The more familiar your interface is, the more comfortable the user feels. Fun fact, when a user interacts with an interface that does not feel natural, the size of their pupils change. During your research, you may notice that, for instance, bank sites all look alike. It might be worth looking into your industry. How does the leading brand have their web designed? When you're done inserting content and start adding colors, effects, font families, and font weights, it'll be important to do some research on color blindness and how users may perceive colors differently. Visual impairment is common, and there are ways to design for this instance. Consider what colors you use when establishing important interactions. When you've got your site prepared, invite some participants to test your product or service. Survey them and see how you can improve your design. When we design, we typically have the user's interest in mind, but it's important to know that the user's interest is a part of the development itself.
So, after the discussion about what is HCI, nakita nito ang mga video dito na it's not all about design, pero nag-base siya about sa design. So, same here as sa mong kuhan, ipakita gyapon namo dito sa among screen nga i-present mo, sir, which is i-edit pa sa akong editor. Kay ako sa ni istorya, what is human computer interaction? So it is a field that focuses on design, evaluation, and analysis of computer system and technologies to people that interact with. HCI aims to improve the interaction between the humans and computers, making the technology more user-friendly and efficient and enjoyable. So it means nag-evaluate siya o kung saan ang human o ang computer nga para mag-communicate sila within each other. And it is more efficiency po nga magamit na to sa like it's more user-friendly po na to kaya para madali atong mga buhaton nun ana and enjoy ra po na sa mga clients nga o kita o ako may gabuhat ma-enjoy ra po ako mga clients o ma-enjoy po ko kay once nga ma-approve man man gud ang imong gipang buhat nga design malipay po ka syempre. So first, user interface design. This involves creating the interfaces are intuitive, easy to use, and visually appealing. It includes aspects such as menu design, button placement, and color schemes. So, adira pa lang daan, user interface design. Makita na nimo ang design sa menu nimo. Menu. Sorry, my bad. So mo to sa button placement like asa nimo gipang butang ang imong pilianan po nila depende na lang po sa imong design nga buhaton. Lahi man jud tag ideas and kabaw ko tanan tao kanang capable man nga maka-create og mga bisag-unsang ideas. Ang mo lang asa nimo pagbutang ang button placement and about po sa mga color. Naman po yung mga tao nga kanang sakitan po sila sa mata sa color. And the number 2 is usability evaluation. This involves evaluating the usability of a system or interface. This can be done methods such as user testing, usability inspections, heuristic evaluation. So, ang kana imong system dapat wag gyud nagkuan inspection po. Dili po ingon nga mogamit ka ay sa mina na kanang like ang imong system dapat siya i-testing or dapat siya mag-gig inspections. So number 3, user experience design. This involves creating an experience that is engaging, satisfying, and memorable for users. It includes aspects such as visual design, sound design, and interaction design. So makita dito ang user experience design. Makita nga unsa jud ang naa sa imong atubangan ay dili lang sa atubangan kundi sa imong whole visual design. And it includes pwede po kanang ang imong design kay photo ra pero nasay ka ng video design like nasay sound nga madungog sa mga tao nga para nila enjoyable po. And usa po sa interaction design or so ikaw pa accessibility. This involves designing systems that are accessible to people with disabilities. This can be done by following accessibility guidelines and ensuring that the system can be used by people with different abilities. So, kita mag-design dito ang mga system nga lain pod kayo nga kita ra dili ingon sa insulto nga kita ra makagamit ka ng dili kompleto pero mabuhat siya dagat ang system nga makagamit pod ang mga na-disability. Like ato sa school color scheme dapat sample ila makita dito kay ang yes kay green mo na then ang no kay red. What if mapislit nila dito kay lain lang ang color, di ba bro? Sa ato sakto ra pero sa ilaha pod ba kasayo pa sila. So mato 5, context awareness. This involves the considering the context and environment which the system is accessed. This can be done by considering the factors such as location, time, and user state. So context awareness, it involves the context sa environment mo sa imong system which is asa siya na-locate o asa mo na-locate nya kanang availability po sa inyong time kuan kanang context sa imong design maoro jud. And 6, personalization. This involves customizing interaction tools and process to suit the individual needs or preferences of the user. So personalization means person. It doesn't mean person agad person. Abot ra na nimo pod like individual needs nimo. Sa may kailangan nimo discuss mo to say user needs, user wants. So ang HCI magtackle siya computer science, design, sociology, sociology, engineering, ethnography, and cognitive science and psychology, information security, and speech language pathology. So, since wala na ko natakol ang among system ganina, so our system is car rental or reservation system. So it is about a system or website design that is initially for easy process of reservation of a car. So bisayaon ako para makasabot jud. Ang kanang system, it's all about car na dali easy process ka makakuan of free pwede siya makancel anytime. And then para dili mo maglibog, amo pod siya gi-compare to other system nga which is para pod ma-improve ang among system. Ang pamagi sa among system kay it is way more improved than the other system kay based sa among research ni sa akong friend o akong classmate Philip nga ang upon system na sila lack or na sila mga lapses sa ilang system. So which is amo nang ipa-improve galing sa among system. So among system it is not based sa ilang system kay nagbase mo sa system. It is amo ni siyang design na nag-brainstorming yan ni it takes more days nga nagunon na mi unsa jud na lain mga ideas sa pilde away mi lalo sa ni kita jud ato sir. And then, came up may nani nga, dapat mapa-improve na mo ang system na dapat i-improve o dapat po na para po dali sa mga tao. It is more user-friendly than ever. So, namin sa chapter 1, it is user needs and user wants. So, Philip.
Okay, now atun ta sa atong main topic yun. So, ang among user wants o user needs sa among system. So first na ilibutan mo diri ang convenient booking process. So convenient booking process is user wants a car rental reservation system that are offer us streamlined and user-friendly booking process. So ano siya nga user needs and wants kay ang mga user nga mogamit sa among website kay dili ta ma-hassle when we talk about booking. Very friendly gid siya nga user friendly gid siya nga basta process lang. Kaduha kay ang transparent pricing. Ang transparent pricing kay user want clear and transparent pricing information within the current reservation system. So ano siya kay paano mas barato, mas ma-attract ang mga user o sayo na sad ma-understand sa mga user kung unsa ang ilang mga bayaran. Sa katulo is flexible reservation management.
Exactly. Padayon mo to.
Flexible reservation management. And flexible reservation management user want flexible in managing their reservation within the system. So kani ang mga user di na sad ma-solve if mag-reserve sila kung okay pa ba ang ilang reservation, pwede ba nila i-cancel or delete. So ang user needs of user wants kay amo siya gi-divide of 6 man amo gi-divide sa amo duha. So tagtolo-tolo may na-discuss na niya ang user needs and this is the user wants. So, ang user wants kay secure payment processing. User needs a secure payment processing system integrated into the car's reservation system. They expect their payment information to be handled with utmost security to prevent unauthorized access or fraudulent activities. Providing secure payment processing instills trust and confidence in user when making online transactions. So, kasabutan ng secure payment processing, ganahan po ang client kung secure ay lang pag-process. Dili dito sa dili maabot sa mga unauthorized success.
need siya ma-handle o pero mga tao nga jud nga kanang security jud siya nga di makaingon ko ng tao look makasalig po siya sa system, and it is makasalig siya sa kuan, makasalig siya sa iyang kagalingon na ang kanilang i-secure nga payment sakto o maabot yun sa ilang kapadungan. So responsive customer support. User need access to responsive customer support channels within the car rental reservation system. In case of any issues or inquiries regarding their reservation, users expect prompt assistance from knowledge support representatives. Offering responsive customer support enhances user satisfaction and resolve potential issues in timely manner. So, ang responsive customer support, it is may mga frequently asked questions sa mga other na mga website, which is dili siya matubag sa tag-iya sa website. It means dili siya potentially nga maka-solve of any issues if nagay sila yung mga pangutana. So kani ang system nag-provide me og customer support nga kanang maka-reply dayon in timely manner. Dili sa ubang system nga ila ra gibutang dito and then ila ra gigamitan og AI, which is not good. Kay in any problems dapat ang tao jud ang motubag, dili kay ang binuhat sa tao. Kay needs kani magbuhat kag AI kay mura nila gipatubag og ilang problema umagi sa computer. So mato number 3, reliable vehicle availability. User needs assurance regarding the availability and reliability of vehicles listed within the car rental reservation system. They rely on the system accurately reflect the inventory of available cars, ensuring that their desired vehicle will be ready for pickup at the specified location and time. Maintaining an update inventory and ensuring vehicle reliability are essential for meeting users and expectation. So, ang ikaw, client ka, pili kag mga sakyanan, dapat makita dayon sa mga visual nga unsay na ay mga available nga sakyanan. Kay ug dili mo gani ka makita, bati pod kayo. Kay mo lagi to among gi-compare ang among system sa lain system. Dili visually open ang ilang availability sa cars, which is very bad sa uban client. Kay if ikaw mangita din ka kailangan pa din ka magkuri-kuri sa ilang website. Syempre dapat visual jud o makita dayon ang mga availability sa car o ma-meet pud nimo ang expectation sa mga customers o sa client, which is more user friendly pud sa amo ang system. So that's it. Mao among user needs and user wants. This is Brian and this is
Bill J.
Thank you, sir.